If you've ever wanted to create long AI animated videos with consistent characters and perfect lip sync, but gave up because it looked too complicated, this is the video you've been waiting for. Most people try AI animation and their character's face changes every 10 seconds. Hair changes, clothes change, voice doesn't match, lip sync looks weird, and the whole thing looks fake. That's why 90% of people fail with AI animation. But today, I'm going to show you a free method to fix all of that. No paid tools, no animation experiences, no complex software, just a smart system. In this video, I'll show you how to lock your character so it stays consistent from start to finish, how to generate long scenes without your character randomly changing, and how to add accurate lip sync so your character actually looks like it's speaking. And yes, this works for 10 to 15 minute long videos, not just shorts. If you want to build a storytelling channel, a kids animation channel, a motivational channel, or even a YouTube automation business, this strategy can literally change your content quality overnight. But here's the most important part. Most people think AI animation is about tools. It's not. It's about workflow. Once you understand the workflow I'm about to show you, you'll be able to create unlimited long-form AI animated videos with consistency and professionalism. So don't skip. Watch carefully, because by the end of this video, you won't just learn how to animate, you'll learn how to build a scalable AI animation system. Before we move to the next step, let me tell you something important. If you want the exact master prompts I used in this video, I have shared them inside my WhatsApp community. Yes, completely free. Inside the community, I regularly upload powerful AI prompts, automation tools, workflow updates, and step-by-step guidance to help you grow your YouTube automation channel faster. You'll also get updates about new tools, bulk video methods, and hidden tricks that I don't always share publicly. If you're serious about building an automated YouTube income stream, this is where you need to be. Check the link in the description, join the WhatsApp community, and let's grow together. Let's begin. We have this master prompt in which I have clearly mentioned that it should provide a 10 to 12 minute story using micro scenes. Step 1. Image character prompt. Step 2. Micro scene breakdown with dialogue. Step 3. AI image prompt for each scene. Step 4. Image to video prompt. This is the input section. Here you can paste your script, write the topic of the story, or even write the complete story. In the end, we have execution flow. Generate character prompts and then wait for approval. Generate micro scenes and wait. Generate image prompts, and finally generate video prompts. Copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. In the input section, we will write the title of the story or the script of the story we want to generate. On another ChatGPT, I asked it to generate 4 different adventure stories in Pixar style, and here was the result. 1. The Whispering Jungle 2, Shadows of Blackwood Forest 3, The Storm in Yellowstorm 4, The Forgotten Island. Then I picked one of them and asked ChatGPT to turn it into a 10 to 15 minute cinematic 3D animation script. This is what I got, a complete story. Copy the story and paste it into the prompt, then hit enter. As you can see, first it gave us character prompts for our story: Marcus, Eleanor, and Ethan. Now we will generate our main characters for the story. Open a new tab and type Google Whisk AI. Click on the first link. Here we will select the aspect ratio as landscape. Copy the first image prompt and paste it here. Now copy the prompt style, paste it below the prompt, and hit generate. Within a few seconds, you will get 2 results. Select the one you like or feel is suitable for your story. Repeat the process for the other 2 characters. Copy and paste each prompt into Google Whisk. See the results of the characters. Everything is perfect. Now go back to ChatGPT and type proceed to step 2. Here, you can see that every scene is mentioned separately, and if there is any dialogue in a scene, it will be written here. This story gave us a total of 101 scenes. Now we want image prompts for every scene. For that, I will type "Proceed to step 2". ChatGPT starts giving me only the image prompts, so I will type "Merge step 1 and step 2" and hit enter. Here you can see that now we have the description, dialogue and AI image prompt in one sequence. Copy the image prompt and paste it into Google Whisk's prompt box. Then hit enter. You will get 2 results. Choose one and download it. Repeat the process for every scene. Now I will show you the real magic trick, where the characters will remain consistent throughout the story. In scene 5, you can see that the character Marcus is discussed. So we will click on Images, then drag and drop our character images here and wait for them to analyze. After pasting the prompt, hit enter. You will see that all the main characters of the story appear in the scene. In the very next scene, Elena and Ethan are discussed, but we will still select all 3 characters because they are together in the boat. Using this method, you can keep your characters consistent. Now, look at this prompt. I pasted it into Google Whisk, but the scene generated was totally different. What we need to do now is upload the image of the scene we want to generate in the scene section. Then type a few words according to your scene style. The best thing about Google Whisk is that you don't need to write long prompts. It automatically understands the uploaded scene. Hit enter and you'll see that the scene style is totally consistent with the previous one. This is how you can generate consistent characters and consistent scenes, keeping the full story in one single sequence. Here is another example of character consistency. Copy this prompt and paste it into the prompt box. See which character is discussed in the scene, only Eleanor. Uncheck all other characters and select only this one, then hit enter. Within no time, you will get 2 images of the same character and the scene style will remain the same. Again, copy the prompt and paste it into Google Whisk. Hit enter. Now look at scene 33. In this scene, it is mentioned that no character is centered. So we will paste the prompt, uncheck all characters and hit generate. As per the command, no character will appear in the scene and the scene style will remain the same. In the next scene, Marcus is discussed. So we will copy the prompt, paste it here, check the relevant character and hit generate. Wait a few seconds and see the result. Only the correct character appears in the scene. Repeat this process for all scenes. I am fast forwarding the video so you can see that I am generating images with just one click. While the images are processing, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. In the future, I will also share new experiences with you. After generating all the images, let's move to the next part. Video generation. For that, type proceed to step 4 and hit enter. ChatGPT will give you image to video prompts for each scene. Here you can see that we now have 101 image to video scene prompts. For video generation, I personally use Grok. Many people say that Grok is not free, but I want to tell you that Grok is free with limited usage. If you want to generate more videos, you can add multiple accounts or use Meta AI. Open a new tab and type Grok. Then open the Auto Grok extension. If you don't know about it, I have made a complete video explaining it. I will paste the link in the description and you will also see a pop-up icon at the top of the video. Click it to land directly on that tutorial. I strongly suggest watching that video because it explains everything in detail, including how to add the extension and configure the settings. If you skip any part, there is a high chance of errors in the video making process. Now choose Frame to Video. In the settings, keep the model set to default and the aspect ratio at 16:9. Do not change any other settings. In the download settings, you can choose whether you want the video to auto-download. I'm selecting 720p. Save the settings and set the prompt delay to 20. Now upload the images. I am selecting 17 images to demonstrate. After uploading the images, copy the image to video prompts from ChatGPT and paste them here. Then remove every line where scene numbers are mentioned. Again, if you are unfamiliar with the Grok extension, you must watch the tutorial video to understand its exact purpose and how to use it properly. Now click on Run. Sit back and watch the magic. I am fast forwarding the video so you can see the entire video generation process. You can also notice the perfect lip sync. This prompt is specially designed for animation videos. I will also paste a link to the complete video in the description so you can watch it from there. After all the videos are completed, we will move to our final and most important part, editing. For editing, I am using CapCut. You can use any other editing software you are familiar with. First of all, import all the clips into your project. After importing, drag and drop all the clips into the timeline one by one. Now start adjusting the clips according to your need. Check each clip carefully. If you feel that any part is not generated properly or there is any extra or unwanted portion, simply cut that part and remove it. You can trim the start or end of the clip and adjust it according to the scene requirements, just like I am doing. Make sure the flow of the video looks smooth and natural. Once all the clips are properly arranged and adjusted in the timeline, we will move to the next step, which is adding transitions. Go to the transition section. Here you will see many different transition options available. Preview a few transitions and choose the one that suits your video style. After selecting the transition, apply it between the clips. If you want the same transition on all clips, simply click on Apply to All, so it will automatically add the transition to every cut and save your time. Now the next step is adding sound effects to make the video more engaging and professional. For sound effects, go to Pixabay. Open the sound effects category, where you will find a wide range of completely copyright-free sound effects. Search for the type of sound you need. Preview it and download the one that fits your video theme. After downloading, come back to CapCut. Click on the import option and import the downloaded sound effect into your project. Drag it to the timeline and adjust it according to your video scenes. You can trim the audio, adjust its timing, and lower or increase the volume so that it matches perfectly with the visuals and does not overpower the main audio. Once everything is set, clips are adjusted, transitions are added, and sound effects are properly synced, your video is now ready. Finally, click on the Export button, choose your desired resolution and settings, and export your final video. And that's it, your video is now completely ready. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the full process step by step. If you found it useful, make sure to like, share and support. If you have any questions or want me to create more tutorials like this, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. See you in the next video.